So this one you're going to put a horizon line in, and we are going to draw 3 skulls the same size. 3 skulls the same size, one higher, each one gets increasingly higher in the composition to create the illusion that each one is getting further away. So I'm going to make 3 skulls about the same size. And this is vertical placement. So vertical placement means that you're placing them higher the further away they are. Try to make those as close to the same size as possible. This is the one, there are 2 elements of art that I think are the most, that can make the biggest impact on the drawings that you already make. Whatever drawings you like to make, if you include these techniques for creating space, and you make sure that you've got a strong contrast of dark and light, then whatever it is that you like to draw is going to have a bigger impact with using those 2 things. And now you guys are ready for Halloween. Bonus, if you're done with that, you want to draw like something else. If you want to draw the crossbones on the back, you just have to make sure that to create that illusion that those are right across from each other. I'll create the illusion. When I'm on a diet, I go around the house and I draw skull and crossbones on all Mr. Little's snack foods. He doesn't really like that, but I do it anyway. Alright, so those are 3 ways of creating space. The first 3 ways. Now our last one on that page is linear perspective. Turn to this, everybody, super focus, 1, 2, 3. You're not going to put a horizon line on that one. I want you to put a dot right in the center of linear perspective. Put a dot right in the center. And we are going to create 8 boxes. On the test, I want it done exactly like this. Put a dot right in the center. That dot is called the vanishing point. Vanishing point. Alright, put a box directly above the vanishing point, directly below the vanishing point. Make sure that those are boxes, squares, not diamonds. If those are diamonds, it's not going to work. You can do irregular shapes in linear perspective, but for the test, I need to make sure that you understand the basic concepts first. How many sides am I going to see? Imagine the vanishing point is me, and I'm looking at these buildings. How many sides of the building from that vanishing point can I see? Hold up your fingers. 2. Put a number 2 in each one of those. Then you're going to put a square, not a diamond, in each of the 4 corners. And I want you to imagine that you are standing where that dot is. You're looking up at these buildings. And from that vantage point, from that vanishing point, how many sides of that building can you see? Hold up your fingers. Think about it. Look, you're standing right here. You're looking here. You know you can see this. How many other sides can you see? 3. Put a number 3 in these spaces here. On the test, I want you to draw 8 boxes, 1 directly above, 1 below, 1 left, 1 right, 1 in each of the 4 corners, and then I want you to mark them how many sides you will see. That way, if your drawing is almost clear but not quite, then I can see that you understand the concept. So then on this one, super focus on the screen, 1, 2, 3. On the ones that have 2, you're going to take the 2 points of the box closest to the vanishing point and draw as straight of a line as possible to the vanishing point, creating an illusion that you can see the top and one of the sides. Make that as straight as you can without a ruler. We're not going to pass out rulers for that. just as straight as you can without a ruler. Then for the ones that say 3, you're going to see 3 sides. You're already seeing the top of these boxes. So it'll be the 3 corners closest to the vanishing point. 1, 2, 3. That you're going to take to that vanishing point as straight as you can without a ruler. Okay, and it creates the illusion of 3 dimensions. What is wrong here? That does not create the illusion of space at all. Something is not jiving with something else. Okay, record button's on. In this picture, the vertical placement is not jiving with the diminishing sizes.